Common body weight mistakes you're making and don't even know. Most people don't fail body weight exercises because they're weak. They fail because they're doing them wrong without even knowing it. These mistakes kill your progress and waste your effort. Push-ups mainly work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Done right, they're a full upper body movement. The biggest mistake is sagging hips. That turns push-ups into a lower back exercise. Another mistake is flaring the elbows out wide, which stresses the shoulders. And half reps? They cut muscle activation in half. Keep your body straight, elbows about 30 to 45 degrees, and lower your chest close to the ground. Pull-ups and chin-ups target your back, especially the lats, along with your biceps and grip. The biggest mistake is using momentum. Swinging steals tension from your back. Another mistake is never fully extending the arms. That limits growth. Start from a dead hang, pull your chest up, and control the movement. Planks train your core, not just your abs. Most people plank with bad posture. Dropped hips strain the back. Raised hips reduce core tension. Body weight exercises work, but only if you respect form. Fix these mistakes and you'll build more muscle, more strength, and fewer injuries. Master the basics before chasing harder variations.